These are the drums, like I mentioned earlier. We are at Mr. Mwenya's compound, a former DACO in government. He's been an agriculturist, and this is what he does. If you can see, these are ponds. All these are ponds. For me, I'm a layman because I'm just an electrical technician. I don't understand much about this, but I'm sure it's going to explain to us beyond our understanding. Yes, Mr. Mwenya.
This is Azolla.
Okay.
It's an aquatic plant that grows in stagnant water. Much of this is just imported, but it can easily be grown. It has a very high protein, almost running towards the soybeans.
Okay.
So it's a plant that we grow and we feed.
Where do you get the seed from?
The seed is what you see, just the plants themselves. What you do is you get water, like in this pot, and then you squeeze it in there.
Okay.
These little things become plants.
Okay.
They are going to multiply.
Okay.
But what you need to do is to push in some manure.
Okay.
So what I do is I put rabbit manure in these
This
containers.
Is a bag of rabbit manure, yes. which is been soaked in water before the green stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. When this is put in here, the manure is coming out from the poultry manure or goat manure. Then the plants are growing.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's more or less like hydroponics.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is very proteinous. You can cut down the cost of feed in your chickens, in your goats, in your rabbits, in your cattle.
So animals would be feeding from this?
Yes, you can, on top of whatever feed you are feeding, like you can mix with
with it.
And this is quite proteinous.
They contain proteins.
And vitamins.
Rich in proteins.
So even the laying in chickens can improve with this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So meaning you can mix it with feed?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
I get it.
So, and you know,
and none of these are being sold as it stands. There's no market for now.
No, market is there. I can't meet the demand. Market is there.
Okay.
So the idea is as I advance, I try to see if I can increase. You can see the number of ponds.
Yeah.
So I've helped a lot of friends.
So do you have like people who come to look for the same stuff?
Yeah. When they hear and they go on YouTube, they discover that this is important. I bought a handful from Rwanda.
Okay.
I remember some 2-3 years ago now of this. Yes, it was just a handful. No, I started in a basin and look at how much.
So meaning this has been increased?
Yeah, increased, and this has helped me to sustain the rabbit production.
The rabbit production, meaning his rabbit which he rears, eat feed from the same stuff.
And then the feces from the rabbits fertilize the same stuff.
The feces as you hear from him. And most of he doesn't use this artificial fertilizer. He uses the natural. You can, I'm sure you're able to see. This is his field, maize field. He has a number of tanks. Yeah, we are yet to learn from him. Yeah. So from here now, we want to see the worms.
Yeah. So I have 8 bins here, as you can see.
Yes, sir.
These 3 bins here. The worms that I'm using in these 3 bins are imported. This is the red worms.
Okay.
They are called Yersinia foetida.
What do you mean they are imported? Are you saying that we don't have such worms here in Zambia?
Okay. What it is that scientists, you know, it's a global village.
Yes.
Scientifically, scientists have found that in agriculture, one of the best worms that you can use is Yersinia foetida, which is red worms, or the red wigglers.
Okay.
They are known to multiply quickly.
Okay.
They are aggressive feeders.
Okay.
They can eat maybe some organic matter equal to their body weight.
Okay.
Meaning that what you want is an animal that will eat quickly.
So what you are saying is, we cannot contain as a country. We don't have such worms you are trying to describe to us.
No. Of course, we may have.
Yes, yes.
But you see, we may not be as aggressive
Okay.
as other people.
Okay.
At the world level, you see farmers producing the African night crawlers.
Exactly.
And these they perceive came from West Africa.
Okay.
But I'm yet to see, we as Zambian scientists, probably that.
I'm just happy because Mr. Mwenya is so aggressive and is so much proud about what he does. Yes. You can imagine, I see him as a researcher in the field of agriculture. So basically, I think we have an asset as Kapiri community to see him and understand agricultural at that level. Yes. Sure, sir, you can go on.
Yeah. So that's why, I started with a handful. In fact, when I bought Azolla, that friend of mine, sorry to mention his color, he's white, gave me a handful of worms as a gift. Okay. So I started and multiplied. But I realized to say, fine, we have our own worms. Okay. Why can't we use them?
Exactly.
And that's why these 3 bins, I'm using the so-called
imported worms.
But I've done my own research here. I found that our own local worms.
That's what I wanted to hear. Yes.
You see, our own local worms do this, because if you ask any soil scientist, they'll tell you that the soil that we cherish mainly come from worms. Worms are very key in making soil. Okay. So it used to pain me to say, but we should be importing worms. But who made our soil?
Who made our soil?
And during the rainy seasons, we see a lot of
them.
Then
yes.
I went to their classification. I realized that there we have 3 classes of worms. We have anesic worms. Those dig very deep. Okay. Then we have epigeic. Okay. Then we have endogeic. Okay. So much of what you see the worms around during the rains, those are epigeic. Okay. They just live in the top layer. In the top layer, biomass. Okay. Where they help in rotting, making soil. Exactly. So I got interested and started trapping the very epigeic, and I find they are doing just as good as this. As the imported ones. Yes. These, for example, you can see this is goat manure. It is almost eaten. You can see the feces from worms. Yes. It's almost eaten. Okay. These are Acidia fetida, the so-called red worms. Here you can see them. Yeah. Check, my people. Check what we are seeing here. Yes, these are red my God. They my God. And you find a quantity like this when there are enough worms in here. Okay. They eat very fast. But I've compared with our local worms, it's basically the same. Okay. You just play with the populations. Okay. Yeah. So that there are enough worms to eat. Yeah. This thing that you are seeing is top-class fertilizer, organic fertilizer. Is it so? I am a Fiamma Wemzai. I am a Fiamma Wemzai. So this is the same. Oh my God! This is important. This is almost finished. You can see almost finished. That the goat manure you cannot see it. It was like this, but now this is powder, and this is so very. These are bad news. What we see to be waste is food for others. For others, yes. Other things. That is the way God made us. Oh my God. We should waste nothing. Nothing. Especially as a Zambian, a Christian nation. God does not want God. Christians to be wasteful. So does they? Jesus. Oh my God. They oh my God. Look at this. Yeah. So they are worms. Look at this. Yeah. In order for them to multiply. So, now we can go. Since I'm sure it is almost, I told you this is exotic. even here, you can see these I was feeding them yesterday.
Okay.
With a mixture of a bit of chicken manure
Okay.
and whatever.
Uh-huh.
But this is ready
Okay.
on this other side. This is a